Welcome to the dasuhaenglish channel. In this video we will learn English vocabulary. Make sure you concentrate on studying. Normal English and better English. In the following we will compare normal English and better English. Watch carefully. Let's get started. Informal conversation with friends. Normal English. Hey, what's up? Wanna hang out later? Better English. Hello, how are you? Would you like to get together later? Next. Write a formal email to your boss. Normal English. Hi boss, I wanted to ask for a day off next week. Can I take it? Better English. Dear boss, I am writing to request a day off next week. May I have your permission? Presentation at a professional conference. Normal English. So, today I'm going to talk about, our new product. It's like, really cool and stuff. Better English. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I will be presenting our latest product, highlighting its innovative features and benefits. Write an academic essay. Normal English. I think climate change is bad. It's like really bad and we need to do something about it. Better English. Climate change poses significant challenges that require immediate attention. This essay will explore the adverse effects of climate change and propose potential solutions. Next. A short message to a friend who is late arriving. Let's look at an example. Normal English. Hey, where are you? We've been waiting for ages. Better English. Hello, are you on your way? We have been waiting for quite some time. Application letter. Normal English. I saw your job ad and I want to apply. I have lots of experience. Better English. Upon reviewing your job advertisement, I would like to express my interest in applying for the position. I possess extensive professional experience. Discussion in business meeting. Normal English. I think this idea won't work. It's just too risky and expensive. Better English. In my opinion, this proposed idea may not be viable due to its inherent risks and substantial financial implications. Write book reviews. Normal English. This book is good. You should read it. Better English. This book is a remarkable piece of literature that I highly recommend for your reading pleasure. Next is an example of a sentence ordering food at a restaurant. Let's look at the following example. Normal English. I want a burger with fries and a Coke. Better English. I would like to order a hamburger with a side of fries and a Coca-Cola, please. Weather conditions. Normal English. I think the weather is nice today. Better English. I believe the weather today is delightful. Next is store. Normal English. I want to go to the store. Better English. I desire to visit the store. Good student. Normal English. He is a good student and he studies hard. Better English. He is an excellent student who demonstrates diligent commitment to his studies. Next is eating pizza. Normal English. She likes to eat pizza. Better English. She enjoys consuming pizza. Homework. Let's look at the example. Normal English. I have a lot of homework to do. Better English. I am burdened with a substantial amount of homework. Before we continue, are you still concentrating? I give you 10 seconds to collect your concentration. Let's get started again. Soccer. Normal English. They went to the park and played soccer. Better English. They proceeded to the park and engaged in a game of soccer. Next is, go to sleep. Normal English. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. Better English. I'm fatigued. I desire to retire for the night. Clothes. Normal English. I need to buy some clothes. Better English. I am in need of purchasing garments. Hangout. Normal English. I'm gonna call my friend and see if she wants to hang out. Better English. I intend to contact my friend and inquire if she would like to socialize. Next. Invite to order pizza. Normal English. I'm really hungry. Let's get some pizza. Better English. I'm quite famished. Shall we procure some pizza? Recommended movie. Normal English. This movie is awesome. Better English. This movie is exceptional. I highly recommend watching it. Order coffee. Normal English. I'm gonna grab a coffee before heading to work. Better English. I intend to procure a cup of coffee prior to commencing my workday. No time to cook. Normal English. I don't have time to cook. Let's order takeout. Better English. I am lacking the time to prepare a meal. Let us arrange for takeaway. Thank you for watching my content. I hope you enjoyed this video and found value in the information I shared. If you liked this content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for updates on other interesting English language content. We look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Thank you so much and see you soon.